Hello VHHS parents, thank you for watching this open house videocast. I am excited to meet you all at open house this year, but because I get very little time to talk with you, I thought I'd make this video to give you a little bit more information about me and the classes I teach at Vernon Hills High School. The first thing I'd like to show you is my website. You can get there by going to www.mrwolfsci.weebly.com. This website is meant to keep you all up to date about the things going on in your child's class. On this page you can find my contact information. If you want to get a hold of me during the school day, it's best to email me at chris.wolf@d128.org. You can also leave me a voicemail by calling 847-932-2644. I try to return voicemails within 24 hours, but emails will be returned much faster. You can also keep up with what's going on in class by following me on Twitter. I like to post pictures of my classes doing lab investigations and other classroom activities. It's a great way for you to see what's going on in their class. This year, I'll be teaching both AP Biology and Biology Honors. Later in this video, you'll get a chance to watch separate videos on the class your child is taking. The next page I would like to show you is my About page. This will be my 16th year teaching, and I have been teaching at Vernon Hills High School for 14. I've taught a variety of subjects, but biology really is my passion. I have also taught at Lakes Community High School and Carl Sandburg High School in Orland Park. I consider myself very involved in Vernon Hills High School. In the fall, you can find me out running with the girls cross country team, as I have been the assistant cross country coach for 14 years and been a part of the 5 state trophy winning teams. I've also been a volleyball coach, track and field coach, as well as a technology integration coach for our staff members here at Vernon Hills High School. Last summer, I was able to take a group of students to Iceland as a science trip, and I'll be going back in 2020. I really enjoy using educational technology tools in the classroom, and I find them to improve my instruction and your child's learning. Because of this, I've become a Nearpod pioneer, Quizlet teacher ambassador, and Edpuzzle coach. This has led me to going out to other schools and training all kinds of teachers on how to use technology in their classroom to better improve their students' learning. You may have already heard of some of these tech tools when your child comes home and talks about science class. At least I hope so. On to my education. I have earned my bachelor's degree from the University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign in the teaching of biology with a minor in secondary education. I also have a master's degree in curriculum and instruction from Concordia University of Chicago. I do like to present at different science and technology conferences around the area. Here are just a few of my presentations I have done. Feel free to click on any of them. Finally, I'd like to introduce you to my family. My wife Lisa and I live in Libertyville with my wonderful daughters Kylie and Tessa. They will be going to Adler Park Elementary School, and Lisa is a teacher in District 70. Okay, if you're an AP Biology parent, please check out my video about my AP Biology class on my left. And if you are a Biology Honors parent, please check out my video about my Biology Honors class on my right. Thank you for watching.